This long extension television mount offers an unusually deep reach from the wall, making it easy to pull a large screen out for viewing and push it back for a clean, low-profile look. The full motion design allows extensive tilting, swiveling, and leveling, so you can dial in a comfortable viewing angle whether the television is in a corner, over a fireplace, or along a flat wall. Its heavy-gauge steel construction and reinforced wall plate feel reassuringly solid, comfortably handling the weight of big, flat, or curved televisions without noticeable sagging. Wide support for common VESA mounting patterns means it works with many different television brands and sizes, which is helpful if you plan to upgrade your screen later. Thoughtful touches like integrated cable routing keep wires under control, so the setup looks tidy even when the arm is fully extended. The included mounting hardware, drilling guide, and alignment level make installation straightforward for a careful do-it-yourself user on wood studs or solid concrete.